In this tutorial, how you can run Simulink simulation from MATLAB. Okay, here I have a Simulink model like named untitled one, and this is sine wave and this is cone, and here in the signal I have logged this data to MATLAB. Okay, here one first thing you have to do this uh, in which path your model is, you have to set this at current path. Okay, current path, here you can see untitled one. Okay, here I'm writing simple script from which you can run your model. Okay, here I'm taking a variable like mdl and type my model name untitled one. Okay, okay, and here I want to open this by writing open system function and mdl. Sorry. Okay, this command will open my Simulink model from here, and I want it as out sim. Okay, to plot the data from your script, one thing must you know that you have to log your data here. Okay, and I have already made a video on how to log data. Here the signal data is logged. Okay, here you can check here, this is a log data and the signal name is sign data. Okay, to plot the data, type plot and out dot logs out dot get, and my signal name is sign data, and sorry, so that's all the script. Okay, if I run this model, as you can see here, your model is run, and as well as the plot function. Okay, this is the way how you can run your Simulink simulation from MATLAB. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.